The 60-inch 6-burner commercial gas range from eQuipped is perfect for kitchens looking to add a variety of high-performance cooking equipment in a limited amount of space. This unit is built with 2 ovens, a 6-burner range, and a raised griddle and broiler. Each of the ovens has a nano porcelain-coated door liner and a thermostat that can be adjusted between 250 and 550 degrees Fahrenheit. For operator safety, the spring-loaded doors have cool-to-the-touch handles. Each of the 6 burners has its own standing pilot light with efficient high and low temperature settings and a 12-inch by 12-inch cast iron grate. A 24-inch raised griddle and broiler are also built into this unit. 4-inch shields are welded onto the sides and back of the griddle to ensure that grease and debris do not splatter onto adjoining equipment or surfaces. A 4-inch wide trough collects grease and an extra deep crumb tray catches additional debris. At only 60 inches wide, this unit provides maximum cooking space with a minimal footprint. To learn more or order this range for your kitchen, visit us online at KaTom.com or call our customer care team at 1-800-541-8683 today.